Have you ever pondered about how a simple droplet of water can hold an entire world of possibilities? This question may seem rhetorical, but it's at the heart of an exciting field of study called microfluidics. Microfluidics is the science of manipulating and controlling fluids that are constrained to a small, typically sub-millimeter scale. This usually involves volumes ranging from microliters, or 1/1,000,000th of a litre, to picoliters, which is 1/1,000,000th of a litre. The magic happens in networks of channels that are tens to hundreds of micrometers in dimension. But it's not just about moving tiny droplets around. This field is a melting pot of engineering, physics, chemistry, microtechnology, and biotechnology. It's multidisciplinary by nature, as it requires knowledge from various fields to truly comprehend and harness its potential. In a nutshell, microfluidics is the art and science of controlling tiny amounts of fluids in a specific manner. This is just the tip of the iceberg, so let's dive deeper in the next scene. Now you may be wondering, why does this matter? What can these tiny droplets do? Well, the magic of microfluidics lies in its myriad applications. We see it in the development of inkjet print heads, where precise droplets of ink are controlled to create vivid images on paper. Microfluidics also plays a pivotal role in DNA chips and lab-on-a-chip technology, transforming how we conduct biological experiments and diagnostics. These tiny devices can manipulate and analyze microscopic quantities of fluid, making it possible to perform complex processes like DNA sequencing on a minuscule scale. In the realm of micropropulsion, microfluidics enables the creation of tiny engines that can power miniature devices. Even in the field of microthermal technologies, it's microfluidics that allows for efficient cooling in small scales. All these applications are made possible because microfluidics allows the precise control and manipulation of fluids that are geometrically constrained to a small, typically sub-millimeter scale. Imagine being able to conduct complex chemical experiments or medical tests on a chip no larger than your thumb. That's the magic of microfluidics. So, where is this all leading us? What's the future of microfluidics? Imagine a world where healthcare is tailored to the individual, where your medication is designed specifically for your genetic makeup. That's the promise of personalized medicine, and it's being made possible by microfluidics. The same technology that can manipulate fluids at the microscopic level can also revolutionize point-of-care testing. Imagine having access to rapid, accurate diagnostic tests at your local pharmacy, or even in the comfort of your own home. No more waiting days for lab results. With microfluidics, the future of diagnostics is immediate and precise. And let's not forget about the profound impact on chemical research and drug discovery. Microfluidics is paving the way for more efficient and cost-effective processes. It allows for high-throughput screening, speeding up the discovery of new drugs and therapies. The future of microfluidics is a world where complex procedures are simplified, healthcare becomes more personalized, and scientific research is taken to new heights. So, we've taken a deep dive into a droplet of water, haven't we? We've journeyed through the fascinating realm of microfluidics, the science of controlling minuscule amounts of fluids. Such tiny volumes, yet they hold immense potential. We've seen how this technology is already being applied in diverse fields. From engineering to biology, from chemistry to medicine, microfluidics is making a significant contribution. It's helping us develop new drugs, create more efficient fuel cells, and even understand how cells communicate. But we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. The potential of microfluidics to revolutionize healthcare and scientific research is enormous. Imagine a world where we can diagnose diseases with a single drop of blood, or where we can replicate human organs on a chip for drug testing. As we wrap up our journey, let's remember that the power of microfluidics lies in its potential to transform. Next time you see a droplet of water, remember it holds a world of possibilities. That's the power of microfluidics.